Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this easy stir-fried hor fun at home. This recipe is not only nutritious, but also delicious. Hope you all like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to crack 2 eggs. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Pour the egg into the pan. Stir fry until the egg is cooked. Now chop some scallions, red chilies, and mince some garlic. Add them into the pan. We also need to peel a couple of shrimps. Add them into the pan too. Now stir fry until the shrimps become pink. Then we can add the hor fun into the pan. Also cut some green pepper and carrot. Add them into the pan too. Stir fry and mix everything well. When the hor fun becomes soft, we can add the seasonings. We need 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and turn off the heat. It is ready. Try it, and I think you will fall in love with this recipe. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon.